Well friends, let's deal with the next example. And the question is like this: the distance x of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of constant force is related to time t by the equation t is equal to under root x plus 3. Time t is equal to under root x plus 3. फाइन, डिस्टेंस x दिया हुआ है, डिस्टेंस x दिया हुआ है ऑफ पार्टिकल मूविंग इन one dimension under the action of a constant force is related to time t by equation t is equal to under root x plus 3, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. Find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. So last time we have done one MCQ based on it. अगर velocity 0 है तो उसका displacement 0 ही होना चाहिए. Fine, okay. प्रूव कैसे करें? After the video we'll have a word. I hope you understood what. Fine. Fine. How to calculate that thing? So we can say that t is equal to this. We have to make the velocity is equal to 0, and then we based on that we will get the value of time. At that time we have to calculate the displacement. Fine. Okay. So मैं वेलोसिटी ढूंढूंगा, तो मैंने लास्ट टाइम जैसे आपको बोला था कि t एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x दिया है, मुझे क्या चाहिए, x एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम चाहिए. सो आई कैन से दैट रूट x विच इज इक्वल टू द वे इट इज गिवन ओवर हियर, राइट संस्कार. सो विल बी हैविंग रूट x विच इज इक्वल टू t minus 3. सो x विच इज इक्वल टू t minus 3 द होल स्क्वायर. सो इट इज इक्वल टू t स्क्वायर प्लस minus 60 plus 9. So this is what I have got, x is a function of time. So velocity is equal to dx by dt, which is equal to d by dt of t square minus 60 plus 9, which is equal to t square क्या हो गया, 2t minus 6 plus 0. So this is velocity as a function of time. Velocity क्या होना चाहिए, 0. So which is 2t minus 6. तो 6 which is equal to 2t. तो t is equal to 6 divided by 2 which is equal to 3 seconds. यानी 3 सेकेंड को velocity 0 होगी. Velocity 0 कब होगी? At 3 seconds velocity will become 0. पहले तो वो पता चला. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Velocity कब 0 होगी? 3 seconds को velocity 0 होगी. वो क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं है, पर अगर ऐसा पूछते at what time velocity will become 0, so at t equal to 3 seconds velocity will become 0. मतलब क्वेश्चन ऐसा आ सकता है कि से t and x are related with this functionality, find out when the velocity of this object becomes 0. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? क्लियर. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट दिस वे, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट दिस वे. सो वेलोसिटी मिल गया, अरे टाइम मिल गया एट विच द वेलोसिटी बिकम्स 0. सो आई विल पुट इट at t is equal to 3 seconds, v is equal to 0. At that time displacement is equal to what? This is my question. So I'll put it in the displacement का equation. t कितना है, 3 seconds. Under root x plus 3 second, 3 cancel, तो root x is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 0, माने displacement is equal to 0. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? कोई डाउट इसके अंदर? लिखो. So this is how you have to prove it. Done. चलो.